Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we got a quick little video. Picked up some sockets and some stuff from Napa for a repair. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up 6 sockets from Napa, as well as silicone spray. Got 2 cans, silicone spray. I got Sil Glyde lubricant, penetrant oil, which it's not penetrant oil. It could be used as penetrant oil, but that's not what it is. It's just showing up as penetrant oil on here. But so that was 31 bucks for everything that's in the bag. And then the sockets here, it's $192, and I got like 5 bucks off. So sockets were 61-6140, 61-6142, 61-6141, 616340, 616341, and 616342. So 61-6140 is a 40 millimeter shallow. 616142 is a 42 millimeter shallow, and 616141 is a 41 millimeter shallow, and then 616340 is a deep 40 millimeter, 616341 is a deep 41 millimeter, and 616342 is a deep 42 millimeter, and these are all 3/4 sockets. So these I picked up for future jobs, and what's surprising is, so here is the 616140, which, like I said, is the shallows. This is Napa Professional Impact. I have not, Napa hasn't sold the professional line in 14-15 plus years, so that's pretty crazy to see that. These are 3/4 inch drive. I have a 40, 41, 42, and in shallow, 40, 41, and 42 in deep. Let's get those cut off. So Milwaukee cutters, dikes, that's what I call them. That one's removed. 616141, it's a 41 millimeter 3/4. I was definitely kind of shocked and kind of ecstatic that these were Napa Professional. You don't ever see Napa Professional anymore. This one is 616142, 3/4 drive, 42 millimeter. NPT. These are Chrome Moly Napa Professional. This one right here is a 40 millimeter. This one is a Carlisle brand. 61-6340. Actually has the Carlisle 3/4 deep impact 40 millimeter. This one I actually used earlier today. Today is January 5th. It's a Wednesday, 2022. This one, you can tell I already cut it. This one's 616341. This one is a NPT, Napa Professional. Right there. So that's nice to see. This one did get used. This is the aftermarket CV axle nuts are this size. that come on the aftermarket CV axles. If you get the Toyota nuts and the castle cap, it's going to be a 35 millimeter. And this one's a 42. It's also a Carlisle 616342. So the 40 and the 42 are Carlisles, which is not a big deal. Carlisle 616342. Get this one cut. Boom, got all the tags removed. So those 6 sockets. The biggest one I had in my Tekton set is a 38. And I have a 46 already, 3/4, but the Tekton set is 1/2 inch. So these are all 3/4. After 38, it goes to 3/4 for metric. And then the cans in here, I picked up 2 cans. Actually, this one right here is partially empty, which is 8330 or 8300 silicone spray. I picked up 2 cans. Sil Glyde, picked up another one of these, and then fluid film. Like Eric O always says when he puts this on camera, that's what he does on his videos. I actually use this on the hubs because this vehicle that I did the CVs on, as you can see the floor, there's 2 CV axle boxes missing. They're actually outside, which I'll take you guys outside and we can go have a quick look at that. But these are the things that I picked up. This I actually used on the sway bar bushings and end link bushings just to stop the squeak. The couple of the bolts on the sway arm came loose. I'm not sure why. On one side it was clanking. So I got that all retightened down. And this right here, all these tools right here, I'll do in a separate video. This is everything I used. If you have aftermarket CV axles, you're going to end up using just about as many sockets as I did. But now everything lower, I did the lower ball joint CV axles, and I have the upper ball joints in here. When I get new spindles, I'm putting new upper ball joints in the newer spindles. Because this is a Detroit truck, so the spindles are pretty rotted. So you know, it's easy to remove bolts from the lower ball joints. You just remove them from the spindle, and then basically the upper ball joint nut, pull it off, and the spindle's completely off. So I'll do the upper ball joints afterwards. I'll get used spindles from a buddy of mine that parts out Forerunners. Bring you guys out here. Truck's already done. But put the old ball joints in here. Here is driver's side CV axle. It actually destroyed the little dust boot, which I have these dust boots. Not a big deal. I can repack these. This one actually doesn't have any broken boots. I just replaced it anyways because you usually want to replace things like this in pairs, because this one is the passenger side, and as you can see, it's got a giant hole, so where the boot ripped. It's still in great shape. It's got lots of grease in it still, so I'm just gonna reboot these, keep them in the barn as spare. I'm gonna reboot both of them. They're a little loose. Same with this one. I think this one maybe, yeah, this one's a little bit tighter, so this one I probably don't have to reboot. It only costs 28 bucks to do a pair on the boots. This one, little dust shield is fine. It's still stuck on there, no issues. I do have dust shields, and here is the rear shield as well, and seal, and that one's fine. There's the other ball joint. Put it in its box. Here's the boxes for the CV axles. So everything is done. Truck's back on its tires. This is Rose. This is the one I was doing the work. little diff fluid came out, which is not a big deal. You can see the lower ball joints are new because they have blue boots. There's the new CV axles, and there is holes, and this dust shield is just falling apart. And there is rust flaking off on these spindles. So this side's the same. So we're gonna be replacing those. A buddy of mine has a bunch of these four-wheel drive spindles. He, 75 a piece, and that will be $75 for the spindle, upper ball joint, lower ball joint, as well as the hub, bearing, and everything. So it's not a big deal. I got an appointment tomorrow at Discount to get new tires, and then I'm gonna have it aligned. Just gonna take it to alignment shop I always go to for my vehicles. This one, somewhere, oh, I must have put it back on where it was down. The radial belt right here on the bottom is poking through, right there. You can see the radial belt starting to pop out. You can see the little needles popping out. So this tire will only last probably to get to the tire shop. I have an appointment at 11 a.m. So all the CV axles and everything are installed. Lower ball joints, uppers will be done when I get the spindles in about a week. And the next video is going to show you guys, and might as well. This is the pan, what little I caught, and don't mind any of this dirt. This dirt is from me clanging. This pan was clean when I started, other than these little spots. These are actual spots that were in the pan from another job. But this stuff did not come out of the diff, just so you guys know. But this fluid is very, very clean. Keep in mind, all of this little speckle stuff is staining on the pan. It's not what came out of it. Oh crap, light died. Give me 2 more seconds. This stuff is extremely clean. It's very, very clean. So it looked like it had brand new fluid in it, which is great. I just need to, I lost maybe I don't know, 6 or 7 ounces is what I lost. It wasn't a lot. Next video we'll be showing you everything here. This is everything I used. This you will not need, more than likely. This is a 12mm quarter with a gear wrench, flex head, 1/4" ratchet, bit ratchet, socket ratchet. I use that to tighten the loose bolt, 12mm bolts for the sway bar. But everything else I did use my 3/4 Milwaukee, 3/4 socket. If you have the original Toyota CV axle nuts and castle caps, you will not need this 41mm. It will take a 35, which is this guy right here. So I will get the on this video here, we'll get the other video out, started, and these are the things that I used for the job. Couple sockets used for multiple things, but that's all I got for you guys. I do hope the video helps you guys. It was helpful, informative, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Got a couple things here and there coming up. I'm not gonna record the tires being done or anything like that. If you guys want to see it, maybe the next time, maybe I'll ask my my discount rep. I always deal with Jonathan at Discount in Casa Grande. He's my rep. He'll get me tires without me having to pay for them right then and there. Sometimes it takes 2-3 weeks to get tires in. He always calls me when they're there. He'll even let me pay him over the phone. But if you guys want to see tires and alignment, maybe I'll ask next time when I have to do another, buy some more tires and do another alignment, maybe I'll ask them then and maybe they'll let me record for you guys. But that is all I got for you guys today. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Peace! Oh, let me hold this. Peace! See you guys next time.